So yeah, I'm making this video of this question, longest substring without repeating character. So it is a medium level question, and this time a medium level. So see, before this, when I was solving some medium level question, they were on easy side, but this question is more on medium side than easy sides. Okay, so it is a medium question. So we'll see what is there. So see, its statement is very easy. Reading this question, you can understand it properly in one go. So see what is written here. ABC is this is our string, and longest is substring without any repeating. So see, if you see this ABC, no character is repeating. ABC, no one is repeating. If you see this ABC, this A is repeating, so we cannot take this. If you see BCAB, B is repeating. You can take this BCA. That's also same. So that's how you have to retain the longest substring without any repeating character. So let's try run it. So I have taken this example ABCAB. See, A and B are repeating, and longest non-repeating substring here is BCA. Or you can take this ABC, or you can take this CAB. You can take any of them. You can take this one CAB. You can take this BCA. You can take this ABC, but you cannot take this ABCA. Here, repeating will be there. A will be repeat. A will repeat, and if you take this BCAB, B will repeat. So longest here again 3. So I'm dry running it, and for that I will use what? I'll make my I pointer here, and I will take my J pointer here, and I will take my J pointer where here. Okay, so I will have J will have, and see its index is I'm writing its indexing. So its index is 0, its index is 1, its index is 2, its index is 3, and its index is 4. Yes, so this is the indexing. And if I say, see, now what I will do, I will see in my first iteration. So see, in our first iteration, what will happen? So uh, in our first iteration, first uh, I and j at 0. So we'll use sliding window approach here. We'll expand this window and we'll find is there any non-repeating character there or repeating character there. So see what we'll do. So in our first iteration, I is at 0. Okay, I is at 0, j is equals to 0, and map. I will use a map here. Why map? Because see, uh, when you're here, see, now next character is repeating, A is repeating. You can check by using a loop. In this, in any of the previous character, is any character repeating? So yes, A is repeating. You can do this by loop, but searching in a loop will cost you O of n. But searching in a map will cost you only O of 1. That's why I'm using map here. So that's my idea for using map, and map will have A pointing to its index. Yes, this is my map, and window size will what? Window size is equals to 1. How? But here again a question comes. How did I calculate window size? So see, for window size there is a formula I minus j plus 1. I minus 1 not equal to I minus j plus 1. Yes. So this is the formula for calculating window size. So if you see I minus j, okay, again j minus I plus 1. Yes. So if you see here, j is 0, and in my first iteration, and see, j is 0, and this j is 0 and I is 0. Both are 0 plus 1. 0 minus 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So window size is 1 for first iteration. Now second iteration comes into the picture. So what happened in second iteration? I is equals to 0, again 0, and j will go to this position, this B. Its index is 1. Okay. So j is equals to 1. And if I say this, what will be this map look like? This map will look something like this. A to 0 and B will point to 1. Yes, and WS is what? 2. So WS will be 2. Why window size is 2? Because J minus I plus 1. J is 1. 1 minus I. I is what? 0. 1 minus 0 plus 1 is what? 2. Yes, window size is 2. So now till now we have taken this window. Okay. We have taken this window. No character is repeating right now because no, we didn't fall any error. So now what will happen? I will increase this J. J will come here. Again, in my third iteration, I'm copying this thing and I'm making some changes in it. Again, see this iteration. So this will be third iteration, third, and third. Okay, I will be 0, j will be what? 2. Yes, and map will look like this, c pointing to 2. Yes, c pointing to 2, and window size will be 3. Till now we got our window size, And now see in fourth iteration here, twist is there in the here. See, when fourth iteration comes into the picture, twist will come to us. So see how now in fourth iteration a is repeating. Yes, a is repeating. So what shall I do now? I will increase my I pointer. I'll check my map containing a. That's why the reason that is the reason why I made this map. So I will check is my map containing that. So yeah, my map is containing A. So I'll increase I to its value. Its value in map is 0. I'll increase to its plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. So here will be my 0. And so wait, why can't I type here? Okay. So I will come at 1. J is equals to 3. Yes, and map, and I will update my map also. So map A will point to what? A will point to its latest value, that is 3, and B will point to, which was it pointing to, 1, and C will point to 2. This is my map, and WS is equals to 3 right now. See why? 3 minus 1 plus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, and plus 1 is again 3. Now J will come at this position. Now B is repeating again in fifth iteration. I am copying this. Uh, so if you see this fifth iteration, I will become what? I is repeating, its value is there. I is B and its value is there. So means J is repeating, its value is there. So I'll increase my I to its value plus 1. Its value is what? 1. I'll increase it 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So I will come here. And again I will calculate window size, and I'll update my map. In my map, B will get its latest value, which is which is this 4, and J is 4. Yes, which is 4. B value is 4. Yes, and window size is again 3. So see, and we will take a max window size. So if you see in these three max window size, you can take any window size. Even every one of them in these three is max. So 3 is our maximum answer. So that will be my approach. And now I am going to write its code. And see, if you take this example like ABC and ABBA, AB. So let me write it. A B B A, and you have to check. See, I'm not taking this example. You want to, you can try run with this. So see, I'm just telling you what will be the twist here. So if suppose your value of J is there, suppose here let us say value of J is there, but you have to check, is that coming inside my window? My window size is this, and suppose here there was any other character which was inside window, but it is not inside window. Its value is there inside map, but that character was not lying inside our window. We do not have to include that. Okay, so this is a twist here. So let me write my code. So let I is equals to 0, and let J is equals to J will also be 0 first time. Okay, don't worry, I'll explain that point to you. And while while what J less than S dot in length. So okay, sorry. Again GTH, yes. And what I will do, if my window is valid, suppose if my I and J first time one, and let me make my map also. Let map is equals to MK3. Okay, nothing is there in my map. If my map doesn't have, then see, if my map of S of J is defined, if my map of S of J is defined, then what we will do, map of S of J is not defined, suppose, or suppose it is defined. I'm confused here. We can take both or any case. So other case will fall in else condition, so it doesn't matter. Undefined, if it is not undefined means it is found. So I'm not writing found condition right now. I'm writing if it is not found. So then I'll do what? I will map of S of J. Suppose we didn't find it. Okay. So if we didn't find it, I will make its value to J, and map of S of J is J, and I'll do J plus plus. That's what I was doing. And here I'm taking let WS is equals to what? 0. Suppose we take it 0, and I will see, before implementing J, I'll use WS is equals to math dot math dot max. What math dot max? What WS comma our formula of calculating window J minus I plus 1. Yes. And see, if I found, suppose if I found so if I found suppose if I found I, if we found, so we will take its value from map and I will increment its value. So if we found, so I is equals to map of s of j plus 1. Yes. So yes, I is equals to map of s of j, the value of that j from the map plus 1, and then I'll increase, then I'll update my map. Map updating code is here. So let me console, let me return my answer. Return what ws, yes. So will this give me right output? So let me see, everything I'm doing correct. I'm incrementing I and I'm incrementing my j always. So this will not into time exceed error, not fall into that error. And let me see, if it is not undefined, means we see all test case accepted, and if I run this will definitely run. And see, uh, accepted or not. So yes, it is accept. Oh, wrong answer. Okay. So ABBA. So see, that's what I was talking about. That was the let me try run for this test case also. So this is a very good test case. So that's why I was taking this. I know what is the error. I can make that code run now, right now. So if it is undefined, and if it is not undefined, and map of s of j is greater than or equal to I, means it is lying inside our window, then I'm using the test case also. So uh, test case plus uh, ABBA. Okay, so let me run this now. Will this test case be accepted or not? Uh, so yes, see, this is also accepted. Now if I submit it, this will be submitted. Uh, is the wrong answer? No. So see, it has submitted our code, and our code is submitted, and it's working fine. So that was my explanation. And see, let me try run this first. So I will be here. I will where I will be suppose here I, and J will be where J will be suppose here. See, I will be here, and J will also be here. Okay, I will here, and this is of 0th index. Uh, Let me write its indexing also. I don't like this at all. So if I see this, I is at this, J is also at this, and its indexing is like this. This is of 0 index, this is of 1 index, this is of 2 index, and this is of 3 index, third index. Okay, so if you see this, what we'll do in this, wait, yes, I'm recording this. Yes, so we will make our map like this. In first iteration, what will happen? First, see, first iteration. So in my first iteration, wait, uh, in my first iteration, I is at 0, and j is equals to 1. Yes, and I'll make my map to what, a tending to 0, and B tending to A will tend to 0, and window size is what? Window size is J is also 0 in first iteration. Sorry, my fault. So J is also 0, and window size will be 1. Why 1? Because 0 minus 0 plus 1, again it's 1. And in my second iteration, what will happen? So see, in our second iteration, uh, I is equals to 0, but this time J is equals to 1. Sorry, J will come here. Its index is 1, so its map value is map is equals to uh, similar like a0, and b will point to what, 1. Yes. So see, uh, although this will take time, but yes, I'm again explaining it to you. And window size will be 2. Why? 1 minus 0 plus 1 is 2. Yes, again, common sense. So see, now j will come here, and now I found a repeating character, so I will increase my I to value of that repeating character plus 1. Value of repeating character is 1 plus 1, so I have 1 plus 1 is 2. I'll make my I here, and see, again my a is there in my inside my map, so I cannot remove that a. So now I will there. Okay, in my third iteration, let me write what will happen. What will happen? I is equals to 2. Now this time I is equals to 2, and b is also 2. So map will look something like this. A tending to 0, yes, and b tending to its our latest value, updated value, and window size is what, 1. Right now my window size, if you see, window is this only now. if I again found, and whenever you find a repeating character like V and V, after a repeating character, again a repeating character, window size will shrink. Window size will shrink like this. The size of it will be one only. So now our in our next iteration, J will come here and I is here. So if you see in our fourth, J will come at so let me write I is equals to 2 and J is equals to what 3. J is 3. So see, we have a value of J inside map. See, J is A. Inside map we have its value. But see, our window is not that. Our window is now from B to A, not from starting A. So it is not lying inside my window. Its value is there. See, a value is there and a is inside in my inside my window. A is 0, but it will not lie in this section, this BA. So I don't need to include that. That's why I was getting error. And see, I showed it to you, and I will update its value. I will update its value. Its value is 3, but I will not change my I and J. No one. So and B will point to where? B will point to its value 2 only. And window size is again what? J minus I plus 1. So 3 minus 2 is a 1 and plus 1 is 2. So see, its answer is 2. And see, when I added that case ABBA, answer should be 2. Yes. And initially I was getting its answer 3. That was the problem there. So yeah, code was accepted, and that was my approach. And you can find some good approach also for this question. But I thought this was the best. So thank you so much.